Hello. Let's start to use Python list. Okay, let's go. Dive into Python. List. We know string. Of course, we can use string very easily. GG is a string. If we say it's a string of good, oh good, good, oh good is the string GG. And currently, right now, we are going to use list. List is very important and it's a compound data type in Python. And list is so important. It gives the feel of how to use Python, the programming language, because it's easy to use and it achieves a level of elegance in programming. We are going to use list right now. Okay, let's make a list. List GG. GG is a string. We change it to list. You know that string is a sequence of characters, so they have some similarities between string and list. They are sequence data type. Okay, let's save the list to a variable. We name it lgg list of gg, and gg is string. Okay, then we can play with the list lgg. Let's print it. Okay, we can see list is marked by the brackets, by the square brackets. The left square bracket and the right square bracket. Then it lists its items, its single chars. Actually, Python has no data type of character, so single char is character and it is string in same time in Python. Okay, we got a list, and what type of operation we can play with it. List is an object. It has method append, count, insert, reverse, clear, extend, pop, and so on, remove. We can pop. Pop is very common in programming. Pop means pop the last item. If we pop by default, it will pop the last item and return it. Then we can check lgg. It just dropped its last character. Okay, then we can append it. Then it get back. Okay, we are going to introduce some even more basic operations on list. Index, we can index it. No surprise, we got G. And what if we want the last item is D without surprises? Okay, what if we want the 5? It's this character. Okay, let's make another list. List of number. We can get it from okay, we last okay. What range? Range is an object. It's a range object. It returns an object that produces a sequence of integers. Okay, we can actually make it a little bit start from 5, stop from 55, and with the step of 5 we got. Let's print it. Okay, Let's assign it. Let's print it. Printed element. We can see it's a range. Start from 5, stop to 50. Why not 55? Because the last element is at the edge of the range, so it's omitted. If we make it a list, it will be numbers with 5 as its wide, and step up until it reach 55. Okay, this is range. So we are going to have a list of, we just make a list of number. It's from 1, 2, 3, 4, because range, you can check its usage. It start, stop, and step. So if we omit start, stop, step, this details argument, it will give us a sequence from 0 to the number we wanted. Ln is a list of number, and we can index it. The last number is 7. The 0 index number is 0, and the third is 3. It's actually the fourth number, but our list and sequence type in programming languages start from 0, so we need to get used to it. It's 3. And we can slice the list. How to slice the list? We want it from 1 to 5. What we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 didn't include it because the index always stop before the item. Okay. What if we want from 3 to the last one? What we get? The 7 get omitted. For the same reason, the negative index start just before the item. It's the position right before the item, okay? But what if we want the slicing from the third 3, index 3, to the rest of the list? We just omit the right boundary. Okay, we got it. Same as string. What if the index overpass the number of the biggest index? Python processes it elegantly for us, gracefully. It stops at the last item, and it's very good. Okay. This is same as the string. String is a kind of sequence data type. For example, GG. What if we slice it to over 800? It gave us, it do the job very good, dot good. Okay. So this is slicing. What if we want, remember the list of number? What if we want yeah, it's true. If we omit the start and the right number, right index number, it gave us the whole list. Double equal means Boolean operation of equal, and we can make it this way in English simple word is, yes, no, because the slicing just gave a new list. So you can see the difference. It equals, but it isn't, it's not true. YLN sliced, we got a new, it means when we do slicing, after it being sliced, we got a new list, and they are saved in different memory location, the new list and the old list. So the new list is not the old list. They are not same memory, same thing in memory, but they are equal. Okay, this is the slice operator for list. And of course, we can append. We can see what we can do for the list. We can remove, we can index, we can copy, we can sort, we can pop and insert. Pop and insert are interesting operation. We can say what insert. Insert, we need to give it an index and a new object. Let's try insert. Before that, we can see the list is from 0 to 7, a list of number. Then let's insert to, for example, the 3. Let's see what it did. Yes, it insert at the index of 3. Let's check its index of 3. We insert 88. Okay. Yes, it's index of 3. Insert means this index will become this object. This is insert. Then let's sort it. Sort happens in place. It means the list will get to be sorted. Okay, we can see 88 be sorted to the last one. It's right because it is the biggest number. How about we pop it? We can see the last one got popped off. But please note, we didn't have push. Yes, a little bit strange because pop and push is common, is a pair of operation for stack in programming, but for list we didn't have. We have pop, but we didn't have push. To push is a little bit weird. We use insert. Let's say if we push it, if we insert it back, what's len? Len means length. It gave up 9 number, and we pop off the last. We should get 8 number off. Len somehow could count. Count didn't count the total number, the amount of the item. It count how many times this object appeared in the list. We can have duplicate object in list. Okay, so pop actually paired with append. It's somehow a little bit straightforward to understand for English language sake. Let's see. We have 2 0. Yes, list can hold duplicate items. Okay. And we can add up list. We duplicate it. See, if we add to list and assign it to a new list, see, we got an extended list. How about append a list to a list? Remember, LGG is a list of character. So let's append let's see what LGG become. You can see the square bracket. It's a list inside a list. It didn't do somehow as we intentioned let it to do, but we can do it another way. Pop off the last list, make it the old way. We can extend. Extend is a little bit from append. See the difference? We have no list inside. Extend will extend the object and somehow flat it out and extend the object. So it's a difference from append and extend. Okay, this is some basic operation and uses for the list data type in Python. Thank you. Thanks for watching.